Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in, okay, now hang on to me, Dún Laoghaire. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you. let me try it. The way it looks on the paper is Dún Laoghaire, but they don't call it Dún Laoghaire, they call it Dún Laoghaire or Lóegaire, or I can't even tell you. But I looked up the top 10 for Dún Laoghaire, pardon me, and this carnival came up in the top 10. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like, but I'm going to show you what the view looks like on the other side. And that's what I'm looking at. A church and a tower and another church, but it's really funny that this is in the top 10. And maybe it's just which top 10 you go to. But it certainly is a kid's paradise, and it's right outside the port, and it's right outside where you catch the train. And so you know, it looks like just a little kids carnival, and they even have a little roller coaster thingy and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that every little place has carnivals. And he's working hard to entertain that kid. And there's Dumbos in all sorts of colors. Anyway, that's it everybody. I just wanted to show you this place. The Treat Tram Fresh Candy Floss. Is that what that says? Crepes, sweet and savory, made to order, ground fresh coffee. Well, we're all on it. Okay everybody. Dún Laoghaire. Bye.